This is a shame this is wet. I could have done with cranking that over. Oh, perhaps we can. Yeah, get it over. He didn't want to get his car wet, did he? Hey, you don't mind flicking it up at me though, do you bastard? So while I'm out, I think I may pop down to West Bay, have a coffee. Cup of tea, cup of coffee, whatever coffee I think. Might even have a portion of chips. Oh, while we're on that. I say I haven't been on this since January. I'll put my motorcycle jacket on. Now bearing in mind, I bought a 5XL jacket, not because of my shoulders and everything, it was because of my gut. And I have to say, there was plenty of room, it would do up, no problem, around my belly. And it was a bit tight again this morning, so we've clearly put more back on again. And I know we all say it, but I really am going to have a go at getting rid of some of it, I think. I did try those Monjaro jabs 3 separate times. It made me so ill. And, I mean, they've got normal side effects anyway. It does give you the shits. But I think if you eat anything at all that is a high fat content, it really goes to town on that. I don't know, 3 times I had that and it was almost like, it was almost pancreatitis. The only thing I didn't have was the temperature. But my God, the stomach pain. Incredible. Okay, now. Fucking dog, go for that kid. I wonder, do I take my brand new tyre down that track? Okay, so I've been watching a few channels where a lot of green laning, and I've sort of been challenged to take the GS off-road and go on a green lane, but I don't know. It's been years since I've been off-road on a bike. As I said, we grew up over here chucking the bikes around the quarries, up and down the steep hills and everything, rock hopping on them, all sorts. I haven't done that since I was about 14, 15. Do I really want to take my GS that is immaculate? Do I want to take that off-road, get it chipped, dirty, chip these nice gold wheel rims, frame? I keep saying to myself, no, don't be a twat. That's good, that'll get the old tyre sidewall done. Nice. It's good actually, it's good to see a few out on the bikes. But they're obviously all heading this way because they can't go the other way because they're bloody flooded. So we'll have a little head off towards West Bay. Hopefully the roads aren't too bad down that way. I mean it should have cleared off pretty quickly. No doubt they'll be in a crap state, that's for sure. Oh, lovely. Oh, look at them Renaults. I have one of them, an old Renault 10. Love it. Mine was hand painted battleship grey from the paint from the dockyard. Well, what a fantastic day. 7 degrees. I think we got down to freezing last night. Bit of ice on the windscreens and everything this morning. Normally sitting there with a camera pointing back there as you come over the hump, so if you're over 50 mile an hour, which a lot do because they like to get all 4 wheels off the ground. As I say, it used to be a national speed limit, they dropped it to 50, which is a lovely little village.
Life's in long lost times ago. Close my eyes. sun goes round, distant winds making silent sounds, daylight waiting to come relieve the night. So let it shine, 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 shine on me. Let it shine, 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 shine on me. Nothing left where the footprints.
Look at these cars with their yellow bloody things on saying, "Don't smack into my mirror."
Reaching like angels through the sky. Feel my moment and breathe it in. Search for skies that begin and end. Close my eyes so I can't see the light. So let it shine, 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 shine.
I see Slow-Mo has got himself a Triumph T100 865. He was riding around for a while without the silencers on. Love it. And now he's got some Chinese silencers on there. Right, see what kind of state Abbotsbury Hill is in. And we have a quick look up, see if anything's coming. There is one coming down. Well, we'll have him after this one then. Let's have a look at the corner. And I do get why they've dropped the speed limit on this road. I mean, 25 years as a paramedic, the amount of accidents we came to along here, and they still get a lot even now. I mean, cars here and they take off and land up doing the rollover about 9 times through the field there. There is a few bikes about. I've got to admit, all of this is drier than I was expecting. Much drier. So what I mean about how wet it is. Still running off the hills. Now all of that play park there was underwater. All of this was underwater, this road. I'll try and find the photo of that garage. So you go in and get your petrol in there, you might find it's well, it's not even going to be E10, is it? It's going to be diluted down to taste. Now that river's well low now. I'm gobsmacked. Just shows how quick it gets rid of it.
Nothing left where the footprints stand. Roads ahead under scarlet sand. Twilight reaching like angels through the sky. Feel my moment and breathe it in. Search for sky are beginning. And close my eyes so I can see the light. So let it shine, 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 shine on me. Let it shine, 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 shine on me. So let it shine, 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 shine on me. Let it shine, 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 shine on me. Yeah, let it shine, 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 shine on me. Let it shine, 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 shine on me.